Hello, Creative Mind. Welcome back to another DIY session with me. This is for the beginners in the house. So today we are working with this sleeve. So now let's go ahead and start cutting. The first thing you are going to work with is your fabric. So for me, I'm working with a lightweight fabric, which is double length. It is roughly 60 inches long. So the first thing you have to do is to go ahead, place your fabric. Make sure you place the self edge on each other. The self edge is that your factory finished edge or your hitiaje, anyhow you understand it. So once you do that, because I'll be cutting the two sleeves once and for all, so I'm placing it on each other. You need nothing less than 1 yard. You understand? So depending on the length of the sleeve anyway. So for me, I'm working with a sleeve length of 16, which means if your normal sleeve length is 10, you want to add nothing less than 5. So I'm making use of 16 inches. So you can see that's it. That's me cutting it out. Now, once I'm done, that is the sleeve for each part now. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and cut the elastic because you need your elastic. So for the elastic, I'm going to be, depending on your round sleeve, right? So whatever your round sleeve is, you want to go ahead and subtract 2 inches from it because you are working with the small elastic, which stretches easily more. Now, so I'm going to cut two 12 inches length for the elastic, two of it, then another 9 inches length, 9 inches for the elastic, two of it as well, because one is going to be at the base and one is going to be at the top. So that's it. You can see I've separated the elastic. Now the next thing we are going to go ahead and do is going to be to shape the sleeve, because we do need to shape it, right? So we are going to go ahead and do that. So to shape it now, I have my off shoulder bodies cut out already. You can see the sleeve at that point. So I'm just going to bring it over my seam. That self edge is going to be the underarm seam area. So I'm just going to go ahead and place it on it and use it to cut it out. That is simply saying that, okay, this is the part of the sleeve that you are going to join to the bodies, right? Now, I'm going to do that on the second sleeve as well. So I'm just going to take my time to do it again so that you guys can understand it very well. It is more like the basic way of shaping your sleeve. But then since you have your bodies cut out already, it's just easy to go ahead and just trace it and cut it out. So that's it. I'm just going to cut it out. That's also the armpit area on the sleeve. Now, the next thing we are going to do now is to open it up. Then we are going to bend. That's the top. Okay, that's the top. So I'm going to bend that point. You do not need to bend more than ½ inch because you are working with a small elastic. Bend the top and bend the hem. Okay, now once it is done, the next thing we want to do is to insert the elastic. So you can use your nail, you can use your safety pin. Okay, so once you do it, if you are making use of the nail or the safety pin, you just punch it through the elastic. Then once that is done, you now want to, there is no how you do it. There's going to be an opening in your bending, so just pass it all the way. Just keep passing. Please and please make sure you first pass it and you pin it at the first edge, okay, so that it makes your work easier. So once you pin it, you hold that elastic down at that point, then you just keep going, but you have to be careful so that it doesn't pull out. Once you are done, you go ahead, you pin it down again just to secure the elastic at that point. So now we are going ahead to do the base. This is the hem, rather the hem of the sleeve. So you go ahead, insert the nail, passing through the elastic all the way. Look at what I'm doing. I'm just taking my time so that you can see. Then I'm going to pin it now. Then I'm just going to keep launching it all the way. So once I'm out at the other side, I'm going to go ahead and pin it as well. So now once that is done, you stitch down, either stitch down or you hold it down. But now you need to go ahead to your sewing machine, make sure you stitch it down, and once you are done stitching that, you sew along on that inseam underarm area. You sew 1 inch. 1 inch is okay. So and once you do that, you can see. So you just go ahead. Once you do this